lesson 2, which is my second premium lesson that's available for sale. It's called Tales from the Chair, Hearing Scalp Disorders and Diseases Uncovered. But this lesson I love because you can use this lesson for more than just hearing scalp diseases and disorders. You can use it for the skin diseases and disorders or for the nail disease and disorders. It is easy to just kind of change out the information on there and make it a whole new lesson. So you can do this lesson 3 times if you want to. But you go to the website, you go to the lesson, it looks like this. This is what you're going to see when you go to the website. You click, yes, I need this. It's going to take you here. You're going to click read more, and it's going to just take you to a little something for you to read or whatever. But I am also going to show you what is inside of the lesson, okay? This one I love. It's real creative. And let me go to the files. So you click on lesson files again. Okay, when you get into the lesson files, there are 5 things that come with this lesson. The first thing is the lesson plan, of course. You get the lesson plan. Again, it gives you the objectives. It gives you the materials needed. It gives you the step-by-step for teachers and for students. So it lets you know everything that's taking place in the lesson. The next thing you're going to get is the teacher presentation. So the teacher presentation, y'all, this is so cute. So I, of course, used AI because I had to create pictures for y'all. I didn't want y'all to have boring presentations. And I couldn't copy and paste pictures from Google, of course. That's copyright issues because I am selling these lessons. So I did use AI. Look at this. I just thought that was so cute. Okay, so it's going to come with the entire lesson. So it's going to give you an introduction piece, which is a little turn and talk. It's going to include exactly what they're going to do, which this is a storytelling lesson, y'all. So it's going to get the students engaged, and it's going to get them just active with each other. So I give you everything that you need for that. It also comes with a little review at the end for all of the terms. So that's a game review. It's Kahoot. And then it also comes with a quiz. So there's a quiz that the students can take like the next day or, you know, in a couple of days if you feel like they need more time to study to just, you know, quiz over the term. So it comes with all of that. So, of course, it comes with, like I said, the game. It comes with the quiz. It comes with the answer key for the quiz. It also comes with a teacher example. So, when you are getting ready to introduce the lesson, it comes with a little example for you to kind of act out with your students. And you have a part, but your students also have a part in the little I don't know what to call it. It's kind of like an act out. Like, you know, you're going to come in and you're going to say, okay, y'all say everything that the students, where it says students, let me kind of show you what I mean. So they're going to have a part, you're going to have a part, and you're kind of acting it out, but you're showing them, it's introducing them to the lesson. So it's really cute. And this is also the example, so they'll know exactly what they are going to be doing as well. So it's nice. I love it. It's fun. My students like it. On the actual lesson, let me see if I can go to it real quick. There's a video that I show you of my students in class doing this lesson. So it's really cute. You can see how engaged they are and how much they love it. Let me see if I can find it really quickly on my lesson so I can show y'all. So this is on the page, on the overview page, kind of give y'all a little glimpse or whatever so you can see. But this is the video I'm talking about. So the video just kind of shows you what they did and how they created their presentations, their little storytelling presentations. So you can use it for other chapters as well. So that's that. I hope that you all like this lesson. It's on sale today.